Hi everyone, so I'm back from Big Lots and these are the items that I picked up. So I went past the popcorn section and they had popcorn, kettle corn, caramel corn and all of that. I was going to get a big tub of that, but I was scared it was going to be stale because it is Big Lots. So I saw these little boxes of Cracker Jacks, so I decided to go with these. They were only $1.25, so these may be stale as well, but I used to love Cracker Jacks when I was younger, so I picked those up. And then just Meow Mix for Simba, and then dog food for Nala. Normally she does the rotisserie chicken flavor, but they didn't have that, so I had to get the filet mignon flavor. We'll see how she does with that. And then for the puppy as well, just these doggy pads. Got those, and then Dove soap, of course. And these are little air fresheners. And this is the charcoal lemon scent, and it doesn't smell bad, just lemony, so that's good. So I picked up a couple of those. And then these are strainers for the sink, for the kitchen sink, and I like to keep those handy and switch them out. And then just the Comet Classic bleach cleaner. I use this in the bathrooms and the toilets and everything. And then pine soil. And that is it from Big Lots. They had their 20% off sale today, so that's the only reason I went today. But that was it. Thanks for stopping by my channel. If you like this video, please leave me a comment. Go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. If you haven't subscribed, hit the button to subscribe so you won't miss any more of my content. Thank you and have a good day.